Hey everyone, this is Leo with Print Co. and welcome back to the print shop. So the exciting news for today is that we're finally releasing our isolator platen for crafters. And it's something we've never done before, but we're super excited to introduce because if you're familiar with DTFs, they're very, very versatile. They're a really cool way to take an image, apply it to a blank, and get a finished product. But that typically means getting a really big machine like a heat press in order to actually apply the DTF to the apparel, but not anymore, right? With something like this, which is part of our crafter kits, which we'll get to in a second, you could take something like a Cricut iron, like this little one here, and apply those DTF transfers right on your tabletop. It's not super complicated to do, but instead of just telling you about it, I want to show you guys how we would use this platen to run real production. You got to see how easy they are and how they could save you time at home. So, without much further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, the name of the game here is process. I want to put all these neck tags on the shirts as efficiently as possible. Now one of the big things for me is I don't want to flip the t-shirt inside out twice. Once in the beginning to put the neck tag on and then once at the end, because 10 shirts that's fine, but when you start doing upwards of like 20, 50, 100, that's a lot of time spent just flipping shirts. So one of the cool things I like about the platen is that it lets you just put the neck tag on as the shirt is without flipping it inside out a million times. The other really cool thing about it is that that little platform that you see me putting the label on is actually raised above anything else. So everything else just falls below the platform area, which I call the top plate, and then you can put the neck tags on really easily. Alright, let's slow it down a bit so you guys can see the real speed that I'm doing this in. Alright, the neck labels are on, now it's time to take off the actual labels that came with the shirt. And there's a reason why I do this at the very end. When I'm folding or packing the shirts, I double check to make sure that I'm absolutely certain I labeled it with the correct size. And the other reason why I do it is because I just don't like having a million neck labels floating around the shop, like that one right there. And that's it guys, check out the Isolator Craft Kit, I'll put a link in the bio, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a good one guys.